Are you considering an electric fireplace but worried about the upkeep? Wondering, do electric fireplaces require a lot of maintenance? Let's dive in and find out. Unlike traditional fireplaces, electric fireplaces are designed for minimal maintenance. With no real flames or wood to burn, there's no ash, soot, or smoke residue to clean up. And since there's no chimney or venting required, you can forget about annual chimney inspections or cleaning. That's one less thing to worry about. Maintenance is as simple as wiping down the front glass occasionally to keep it looking crystal clear. You might also dust the interior once in a while, but that's about it. The only real task you'll need to handle is replacing the light bulbs that create the flame effect. But don't worry, these bulbs last a long time and are easy to replace when needed. Electric fireplaces are also energy efficient, meaning you can enjoy their warmth without a spike in your energy bill. And with such low maintenance, you'll save both time and money in the long run. So do electric fireplaces require a lot of maintenance? The answer is a resounding no. They're the perfect hassle-free addition to any home. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more home tips.